It is March 14th, and back in 1993, there was a huge northeastern PA blizzard that pretty much buried stuff, and now in 2017, we got another blizzard! This is pretty much the first blizzard that I remember, but as you can see, it's still coming down. It's not expected to stop snowing until tonight, literally during the night, and we're already pretty much buried. I haven't seen a snowplow come by in a couple hours, so I think they've given up right now. I just heard that say we've got about 27 inches so far, and we're only going to get more in March.